Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to create a ringtone using GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is to go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application. If you do not have the application on your mobile phone, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can access, you have your audio recorder, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can get started with making a ringtone from our tracks. The first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up our tracks. I'm going to open up audio recorder right here. That's going to open up this recording menu, where in the upper left corner we'll have this edit mode where we can go ahead and open up. So click on the edit mode in the upper left corner. That's going to open up the mixing mode where we can find all our tracks. And let's say we are now satisfied with our GarageBand song and we have implemented everything we need, and now we want to turn it into a ringtone. Well guys, all we have to do to be able to turn it into a ringtone is to go ahead and right here in the upper left corner click on the arrow pointing downwards. After clicking on the arrow pointing downwards, we can now take a look at the options that says my songs. You want to click on my songs, and this is now going to open up this folder right here of your GarageBand recent projects, and where you can find all the projects that you have. So as you can see, now we can see all our projects, and we want to find the project we want to use as a ringtone and long hold it. So I'm going to long hold it. This is going to open up this new menu of options, of which one is called share. So let's go ahead and click on share, and after clicking on share guys, now you can find multiple options, and one of them in the middle is called the ringtone. So what you want to do is to tap ringtone, and this is going to enable you to proceed with the next steps to save your ringtone that you'll be able to use on your phone. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.